Welcome to our channel, JXJ Studio. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Jackie.
We just got the all-new.
It's the FUJIFILM XT30 III. It just came out a few days ago.
We use it for marketing primarily, but Jackie needed something that was a little lighter than what I have. We decided to pick this up. Unfortunately, they had one in stock available. We'll just talk about some of the aspects of it, what we like about it. We don't really have too many dislikes right now.
The main thing when I picked this thing up was that it had the built-in filters. So you can see right here, when you switch it on, you can see all of the built-in filters. So as we turn this knob here, it switches to different filters. And then you can also program your own recipes into this. We really just wanted a new secondary camera. We have a couple of cameras already. I personally wanted something with a lot of aesthetics, very fun, girly, something I could literally just take out of the box and start taking photos. Super light. So that was my one thing I always complain about Jonathan's camera, is that it's really, really heavy, lugging around a brick, basically. And I really love all the dials on it because I definitely wanted something that was easy to use.
This is the first Fujifilm camera we ever purchased. This is the 23mm. It's a 2.8, and that's what you're looking for if you're new to photography. I always recommend a low f-stop, which is better in low light. It gets a little bit more expensive, but the trade-off is the quality, and that's always worth it. The pancake lens being slim, you have to take into consideration with what you're going to be using it for. It's a 24 megapixel camera, which means just because you can't zoom, now we can digitally crop and still retain that image quality when we're printing out photos like an 8x10. If you do that or post on Instagram, you're not going to really lose anything. Yet it's wide enough to where you can capture those fun moments with your family and friends. The grip, I think that's essential. Having something earthy like a leather grip is very nice. They make rigs and cages, aluminum. Those are nice, but they're also bulky. They're not pretty, you know, they're not aesthetically. I think they're awesome, but you know, she wants something a little bit more. Get the red button, or they have a gold, they have a silver, they got a black, but you can just unscrew it. And that's kind of a little extra thing, because otherwise it's a very narrow, tiny little pinpoint button. This one's really, it's easy to
and it's cute.
Find. So we ended up adjusting. We took two camera straps and did a fall cam camera strap, and then integrated it with a small rig lanyard. It's magnetic. So it just clicks in just like that. So easy on, easy off. I love it. Boom. Basically, I cut off the fall cam system here, that technology, the magnetic, and then to take it off, you just pop it off real quick.
Yeah, which is really nice.
Which, if you're also looking for something to where you have a camera strap, just put your hand in like this, and now you have a nice little quick, you know, if you drop it, you're good. And it does have a built-in flash too, so you just pop up this button here, click, boom. It's kind of nice just to see what the size of this looks like in relation to how I'm holding it. You got your plug here, which is USB-C. It does not come with one, surprisingly, but in today's day, you always have some of those lying around. And then down here, you have a small battery, which I recommend buying an extra one. Standard SD card. We got a 128 little lens cap.
One of the things I really love is just how light it is. We went with the pancake lens, so it can fit in my purse easily. I can take it on trips. We're not lugging around a big camera. And to me, this is just straight out of the box. Like, I can use it. And I know how you are with your stuff and changing everything, but it's like, to me, I just want to take something out of the box, use it. And that was what I was so excited about. One thing I do like as well, as soon as you put your eye up to the viewfinder, it automatically has the sensor, so it shuts the screen off, which is really nice. Some of the downsides of the Fuji X-T30 III is like the autofocus. I will say I have had a little bit of issues with that so far, but I think that's more of just user error and not so much the camera. It does have two batteries, but it is a smaller battery, and it does have limited video. So this is really meant to be like a photography camera. It's not really made to do video. I'm probably 90-10, and I always have my iPhone too. So if I want to use video, I mean, I can do it by iPhone.
I think this camera is for stylish people, frankly. I did not want to persuade you. I'm a Lumix through and through. That's what I am. Fuji line, I think it has a really nice aesthetic to it. Super popular. The old money look, the old style, the grainier look. It has kind of a greenish tint to the photos. And it's just fun to have, you know?
I was telling Jonathan, capturing kind of that nostalgic feel. So next show, what are we gonna do?
We're going to compare the battle of the best, guys. So perhaps she will take pictures on her camera and I'll take pictures on mine, and we'll discuss my rig next time.
What's your rig?
Still have to
That's
find
for you
out.
guys to know.